Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the play tag. So there are you think that you will type something and use the enter and the without using the line break, and you thought that it would be another line, but it won't work if you give many spaces. And you see in the HTML, you realize that it won't work. That's bad, I think. For that we have a special pre tag. So for that, first what I'm gonna do is what I just remove this is a paragraph in the p tag. If I enter, does it gonna show up in another line? You see, it's not possible. But for that to happen, we have the pre tag. So pre, and you can use this by text in a play tag. Okay, I then is display. What the heck, why have my display in. Now see, those are in another line. That is the good thing, line breaks, line breaks. Is it not awesome? If you want, you can give long spaces and you will see here. So this is what play tag does. It usually format how you want to show. So this is the work of this. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.